Namaste. Good morning, class 7. Today we have lesson about method of making compost fertilizer. How to make compost fertilizer. I had explained about compost fertilizer, chemical fertilizer in my previous videos. What is compost fertilizer? Now I think it is not difficult for you. Compost fertilizer, again I want to say, compost fertilizer is prepared by the biodegradable substances, by organic components, by composting materials like dung of domestic animal, dung and urine of domestic animal, leaves, grasses, straw, hay, chaff, husk of rice, mustard oil cake, or chaff of mustard seed, pina, khair. From these things, compost fertilizer is prepared, and it is environmental friendly, and compost fertilizer also maintains fertility of the soil. It can provide almost all the nutrients for the growth and development of the plant. So compost fertilizer is very useful. How to prepare? About that also I had said something. How to prepare? Here are given some method. Making compost in a container. Container means a pot or dustbin or any can. We can prepare compost in a plastic bucket or dustbin or any type of container. We can put different things there. We have to make some hole also at the bottom of the bin or the side of the bin, so that excess of water can go outside from the bin and aeration, air from outside can enter inside the bin. Then we have to put biodegradable materials, composting materials, organic materials from our kitchen. When we eat food, when we cook food, different vegetable peels, fruits, peels we throw. Sometimes waste food also we will throw. So these things can be stored in one bin, in one can, or in one container. And after some interval of time, 1 week, 2 weeks, these things will be decayed properly. Don't put the dustbin in your home when you are preparing compost fertilizer. You have to put that bin outside of your home or in your garden, so that bad smell from that bin will not come in our house. We have to put this bin outside of our house in the garden and put every day decomposing materials, composting materials or biodegradable substances such as peels of vegetables and fruits, waste food, leaves, grasses. These things we can put there. Green leaves, green grasses, and after some interval of time, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you can see this. If it is perfectly decomposed, perfectly decayed, then it is ready. Now you can scatter this in your farming land, in your kitchen garden, in your farming, any type of cultivation. You can scatter this. You can use this in cultivation of plants or crops. Then other method is there, compost fertilizer in land. This is the use of bin, like that type of bin we can use. That type of bin we can use to prepare compost fertilizer. Here you can make some hole you can make there, and or by the bottom of the bin you can make hole, so that excess of water can go outside. You can make some hole For aeration also, air from outside will enter in that bin, and now you can put different materials, biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances. Then in this way we can prepare. Here is underground method. If this is land, dig one hole inside the land. Dig one hole inside the land. Ditch. DITCH. Or pit. Or hole. Ditch or pit or hole. This is one hole. We have to dig inside the land, and you can put different things. If we belong to farmers family, if we are farmers, we will rear or we will keep various animals like cow, buffalo, goat in our shed. And these animals pass urine, pass stool, that is dung or urine of animals. They are also useful to make compost fertilizer. We can put there in that ditch, in that pit or in that hole. Every day when we clean the shed of our cow and buffalo, we can put there every day. We can put there every day. Dung, straw, grasses, green leaves, everything we can put there. And after 3-4 months, after about 6 months, near about 6 months, it will be ready. Sometimes we should turn it over, mix it, turn it over, up down, we can turn it by using a stick. And when the hole is totally full, we can cover this also. Cover this with dung. And after 3 months, 2 months, again turn it over, again mix. Near about 6 months, 5 months, 4 months also, it will be ready. Now you can take this out and scatter in your farming land. Put in your farming land. This is underground method. This is underground method. Suppose this is land and this is hole inside the land. Very easy. It is very easy to prepare. Everything we can put in this hole. It will itself decayed and decomposed. It will be decayed and decomposed itself. Sometimes we can use In some cases, some people use salt water, lime water also. Spray sometimes, salt water, lime water, so that they can be perfectly decayed, decomposed. So in this way, underground method, we can prepare compost fertilizer, and there is one other piling up method. You write this in your copy, then I will clean. Piling up method. Piling up method. If this is our land, we can put every day here decomposing materials, biodegradable substances, every day. Biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances. Put every day. When we clean our shed of cow and buffalo, our kitchen, biodegradable substances only, the substances that can be decayed or decomposed. Peels of vegetables and fruits, waste food, straw, grasses, dung of animal, put every day there. Don't dig a hole. Don't dig a hole inside the ground. So it is called piling up method. Piling up method means put on the ground only, not inside the ground. Put on the ground every day. When you clean your house, put on the ground. And it will be, its height will be increased. Deposit. Thuparni, deposit. Height will be increased after 4 months, after 5 months, after 2 months. It will be big pile. Big heap. Now, sometimes you can mix this also. Turn it over. By using a stick or by using a spade, kodal. Turn it over. And when the pile becomes very big, you can paint this, cover this with dung. Cover this with dung. Dung of animal. And after 4 months, 6 months, it will be ready. Now it will be perfectly decayed or decomposed. You can spray this in your land. You can scatter this in your farming land. Before 1 month before cultivation. 1 month before cultivation or plantation of any crop. Because in this 1 month, again it will be mixed perfectly in the soil. So this is piling up method. Deposit all organic materials in one side of the field. Deposit all organic materials in one side of the field. This is piling up method. So now, how to make compost fertilizer? This lesson is also finished. You have to write everything what I have written there and read this lesson 2-3 times. Other day I'll describe other thing or describe our exercise. Now I am to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.